here we can see that we have written some content and we have added tables as well as listing. So what you have to do is uh, so once you have copied your content, you will come here and you will paste it in our editor, right? And then it will take the default styling as given by the editor of your choice. So in my case I'm using Ubuntu machine, so the editor here is different, but in your case it is Microsoft Word, right? So what you have to do is the one thing that you can do to save your time is no need to format anything over here, like no need to make it bold or anything. Just write the content, okay, and then copy and paste and then do some styling over here. For important words, just block it. So suppose this is so you will have your content. So by default paragraphs in this editor and in Microsoft editor are different. So what you have to do is you have to select the whole content, like the para, and then you have to come on format option, and then in down there is an option for clear formatting. Okay, so like it will clear the format to how it has to be, and then like you will get the desired result, so there won't be any mismatch. So suppose this is another para, so again we'll come here and we'll click on click formatting. So that's how you can simply escape from that issue.